Sorry about the shirt and whatnot. It's only 4,700 degrees in here. So we did the headliner in Pismo, okay? And what's up? Ariane needs something out of the van, so bear with us.
No, I don't. I was just wondering what you're doing.
Oh, well, we're hanging out talking about the headliner. You want to talk about the headliner?
No.
All right then, beat it. Did the headliner in Pismo, okay? And ever since this was done, I've been thinking, I need something, okay? And I wasn't sure what to do with it. Then we met Vu and Allison. Man, I'm gonna get a text message any minute. We met Vu, and their van was unbelievable. Unbelievable. And I like what you did, Vu. I caught it. That was good, man. That was real good. That whole, hey, just check it out. We'll give you a little tour, and in the morning when it's not so dark and better light, then we'll get a good video. Damn, it looks good already.
Actually,
you're right.
Want to do like a real film thing tomorrow? And you can just like chill and look at it right now.
Yeah, sure. Bro, we never got that video. Vu's good, y'all. Vu doesn't want you to know what's in his van. Vu doesn't want you to know how good they are. Those guys are life coaches, man. And they don't even know it. Anyway, Vu had a cargo net. 2 small cargo nets. And I was like, damn, dude, that's what I've been looking for. Where'd you get those? He told me, I think I found them, but then I realized that there ain't no way my boy Vu is getting this in his cargo net. It wasn't big enough. It wasn't big enough. You guys know how I do. I mean, if any of you saw the house, I did all of that. There's a house tour down there before we left, and I did it all. Everything in the backyard was me. Bigger is better. So, I needed something bigger, and I found this. And it came with these. This right here is a cargo net / hammock for a Jeep roof. You've seen them. I've seen them. You got a Jeep. I know my girl Debbie has seen them. Debbie knows all about the Jeep hammock. And I'm like, wait a minute. What are those measurements? The dimensions were exactly what I wanted. And it's got these guys on it. I don't know if you can see those, but these guys are supposed to Velcro strap to the rack of your Jeep so that you can super hammock from your Jeep roof. But obviously I can't do that, but I sure as shit wasn't gonna cut them off. I need you guys to tell me what I should be doing with those loops. I got all my maps up here. I got all our state parks up here. I keep my journals up here if they're not in the trailer. But this is great real estate. But I'm not sure what to do with it. So, if anybody has any good ideas what you could do with that loop, I was thinking about rolling up a hoodie, store a hoodie up there. I was thinking, nice. I don't think pull-ups is the answer because I'm not sure that headliner was built for $250. You could put some snacks up there. Hold on. Hey, get over here. This guy's such a punk. Lay down. And if you have any idea what to do about the audio on this camera because of the wind, I'll take those suggestions as well. Let me know. If you got some good ideas, I can send you a handful of stickers. So, till then, we'll see you down the road. because it's never ending.